Oversized beauty powder for breakfast, mini EOS for lunch, and a huge bottle of nail polish for dessert? Today's menu features mini and maxi cosmetics, which are even edible to sweeten the deal. Check out these fun new ideas in today's video. Cindy just woke up. There's no way she can go outside looking like this. She needs to make herself look presentable as quickly as possible. Let's start our morning routine with coffee. Then wash our faces with ice water. But Cindy doesn't seem to care about my suggestions. Fine. Let's see what she thinks about my mini eyeshadow. Roll out colored fondant with a rolling pin. Cut out 4 rectangles. One slightly smaller than the rest. Make 3 cuts inside one of the rectangles and connect it with the main rectangle. Remove the filling from an Oreo cookie and mix it with different colors of food pearl powder. Fill up the fondant container. Glue the last 2 rectangles together with jelly glue. Smooth the edges together with a modeling tool and write the brand name with a food marker. Cindy likes the idea of mini makeup. A little bit of eyeshadow in the morning can only do her good. She's already preparing to get some onto her brush. Wait! This eyeshadow will be a better breakfast rather than makeup. Snack on some eyeshadow and drink your coffee. Girls have such different morning rituals. Some choose to do makeup first thing, and others prefer to have breakfast right away. While Redhead applies blush, Cindy wonders what she should eat. Oh, right, she also has blush, except she stores her blush in the refrigerator. Break up cookies in a blender. Mix it with condensed milk. Form little spheres from the mixture and coat them with food pearl powder. Make spheres of different shades. Collect them in a round box covered in gold paper and attach a makeup brand label. This oversized container of sweet blush spheres looks like it'll make a very glamorous breakfast. Soon, there won't even be any traces of it left. The friends love this shade of blush. It's called Condensed Milk. The girls accomplished 2 tasks at once. They did their makeup and they had breakfast. Time for an outdoor painting class, except Dolly is painting herself instead of a canvas. Finally, her friend shows up and immediately starts giving Dolly advice about what eyeshadow she should use. Dolly tries out her friend's suggestions, but she doesn't like the results at all. But Redhead has something that'll definitely cheer up her friend. It's Nutella-flavored mini mascara. Fill a small decorative bottle with Nutella. For convenience, use a syringe. Take the brush out of a tube of mascara, clean it, and cut out the center. Cut off the end and glue the brush to the lid of the little bottle. Even the brush out with scissors and insert it into the bottle. Roll out some fondant and wrap the bottle in it. Cover the lid of the bottle separately. Write the mascara's name with black food coloring. Based on the size, this looks more like a mascara sample than a full tube. And based on the taste, it seems like a chocolate dessert. There'll only be enough mascara to cover Dolly's teeth. This sample definitely won't last long enough to get to her eyelashes, but at least it'll sweeten up her look. I have a cool new makeup product. It's huge turquoise eyeshadow. But I'm not planning on sharing it with anyone because this eyeshadow palette is actually cake flavored. Cut a circle out of a sponge cake. Even out the resulting gap. Dissolve edible glitter in water. Mix it up and paint the sponge cake with it. Add a couple drops of food coloring to heavy cream and beat it with a mixer. Pour the resulting mixture into the sponge cake. Let's prepare 2 circles and a strip of black paper. Draw a circle of the needed size. Do the same thing on the other one. Mark ½ inch from the edge on the strip of paper. Make vertical cuts and bend them so that we can glue them later. Glue the strip to one of the circles. Cover the internal openings with clear plastic or cling wrap. Glue the second circle piece on top. Place the eyeshadow onto the black base and cover it with the lid. Sign the eyeshadow with a black marker. Cindy really wants to try a piece of the eyeshadow, but Redhead is determined to eat it all herself. Fine, let's see how she likes a full face of makeup. The blue eyeshadow turned into foundation, blush, and even mascara. But Redhead is ready to retaliate, a direct hit with a huge eyeshadow brush. Where did she get such a thing? They were probably having a sale at the store, Giant Beauty. Prepare a baguette. Cut out a chunk on one side and insert cotton candy on a stick. Shape the cotton candy slightly with your hands. Roll out a piece of fondant into a thin layer. Cut out a rectangular shape and cover the joint between the cotton candy and the baguette with it. Talk about a sweet hit of beauty! But the friends quickly reach a cosmetic ceasefire. Love for makeup and for yummies unites them. And now we've got makeup and yummies all in one. Redhead can talk and talk non-stop. The only thing that'll stop her is chapped lips. But Dolly won't let her friend deal with this crisis alone. She'll happily offer Redhead her EOS. Except it's teeny tiny. Reshape a chewing candy. Place an edible bead inside. Form the distinctive oval shape of an EOS around the bead. Adjust the shape with a modeling tool. Cover the piece with cling wrap and create a lid for the EOS out of another Starburst candy. Use a toothpick to create the logo. Remove the cling wrap and attach the pieces together. Redhead tries to moisturize her lips with the mini EOS. It's useless! It's like it's intended for an ant's lips. But Dolly tells Redhead exactly how to use the EOS. Just send it directly into your mouth. The sweet miniature EOS won't color your lips, but it will taste sweet like candy. Redhead is trying to choose what color to paint her nails, but Cindy has a suggestion to end all suggestions. Let's paint her nails with giant polish. Prepare a big round jar. Glue a painted Pringles container onto the lid. Using a sponge, cover the whole construction with black paint. Attach a printed nail polish label onto the jar. Add food coloring to condensed milk. Mix it thoroughly and pour it into the jar. Put thin breadsticks into the empty chip container and close it. This nail polish can paint not only your nails, but your whole hand at once. But Cindy stops her friend's manicure plans in their tracks. Take a hidden breadstick out of the cap and enjoy the delicious pink condensed milk. We'll paint our nails after we have a snack. Redhead tries a double pigtail hairstyle. This look makes her look way younger. But what's missing is a bright accent piece. Dolly knows how to complete the look. Let's draw freckles using a Fruitella mini pencil. Take the wrapper from a Fruitella candy. Melt it slightly in a microwave. Add food coloring and roll the candy into a thin tube. Cut off the excess. Shape a sharp end with a toothbrush. Unwrap a mini cosmetic pencil and use the packaging to wrap the candy. Form the end of the pencil with a thin brush and silver food coloring. Make several mini pencils of different colors. Dolly draws on bright freckles. This unconventional skin decoration looks great on Redhead, but the most unusual thing about these mini pencils is that you can eat them after drawing on polka dot body art. Their taste is as bright as their color. Candies and freckles are an excellent combination. Did you like our edible makeup ideas? Then write in the comments what sweet you'll add to your makeup bag. Will you make mini mascara, maxi polish, or ginormous powder? And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so that you don't miss new sweet ideas on Troom.